Hi, welcome to Laugo. Today I'm going to change the battery of this Tunke S10 Pro. You can see here it's a Tunke S10 Pro electric scooter, 36 volts, and I'm going to change the battery. The battery is not good. So if you are interested in how to change your Tunke S10 Pro electric scooter battery, just keep watching. As you can see, this one here, this one is your rear wheel. This is the front, up the handlebar, and then this is the old scooter. So let me just turn it over, and then I'm going to take off the screw and then start working. So now I'll put my battery inside. I set up this connector. So now I'm good to go. Let me close everything back. Everything working like it should. Where is the cord? Now let's try to see how it works. Good here. Good. The wheel is turning. Good. And the battery is good, full, goes up to 20. So thank you for watching this video. If you find it informative, please like and subscribe, and see you at the next video, and have a blessed day. Thank you.